Very good morning, students. This is your English teacher Benu Sarawat, and I welcome you all to RKP online classes. So today in this class we'll be focusing upon adverbs. So first we should know what exactly the adverbs are, right? So adverbs are the words which tell us about the action which is taking place in a sentence, right? So they are generally associated with the action being performed in the sentence, and they give us information about the action like how, when, where, or to what extent, how regularly, how frequently, right? And one more thing which is very important, that adverbs modify, okay? They change the meaning of three things, all right? They modify three things. Now what are those three things? Let's know about it, right? So first is verbs, okay? First is verbs, second adjectives, and third is the adverb itself. Now, I'm sure you must be aware with these words, okay? You must be familiar, but still let's refresh our memory, right? So verbs are the action words, okay? So whatever we do, that is called a verb. They are doing words also, right? For example, if I'm speaking, action word. I'm writing, action word. You are listening, action word. You are studying, action word, right? So all these are action words. So let's write it also here. Speak, jump, eat, and so on, right? Now, coming to adjectives. So these are the words which tell us more about a pronoun or a noun, okay? So they actually talk about their qualities. Now the qualities can be good, I mean they can be both good and bad, right? So these are describing words basically, because they describe a noun or and pronoun, right? For example, hardworking, pleasant, okay, or precious. These are all adjectives. If we say he is a hardworking boy. Now if we say he is a boy, we do not know exactly what kind of boy he is, right? But if we say he is a hardworking boy, we get to know that he's such a good boy and that he always does his work on time, and he is a very hardworking, meticulous, diligent. These are all synonyms of hardworking, right? Now second is pleasant. Pleasant is what? Which is beautiful, which is beautiful to your eyes, which is beautiful to your ears, your senses, right? So we can say it's such a pleasant weather today, let's go out, right? Third is precious. This gift is very precious to me, as it has been gifted by my mother. Precious means something which is close to your heart and it is very valuable. It has value for you, okay? Valuable, precious, right? Now adverb, actually we are studying about adverb only. So the words which qualify, verb, adjectives and adverbs, and they talk about actions, and they give us answer of the related to actions, like how is it being done, or how frequently it's being done, or when it's being done, or where it's being done, okay? So now adverbs can be like slowly, okay, occasionally, or seldom, or very. Okay, now slowly, if I say the man walks, or the man is walking, right? Do you exactly get to know uh, how exactly is he walking? Slow, fast? We don't know anything about that, right? But if we take the help of adverb here and we add the word slowly there, the man is walking slowly, we get to know, right, that the action of walking is being done slowly, right? Second is occasionally. Now occasionally means which is something which is not done on regular basis, right? Maybe once in a month, or once in 2 months, or twice in 6 months, right? So that is called occasionally. For example, I can say I visit my village occasionally, or I occasionally visit my village. I occasionally visit my village. That means I don't go there often, very often, right? I don't go there, right? Seldom. Seldom, again, it means hardly. Okay, seldom means hardly. I seldom meet my old school friends. That means I don't get time now, and I'm so much tied up in the work now that I don't get time to meet my old friend. So I seldom meet them now. Okay, very rarely. Okay, very, we know it's a very frequently used word. So it's just like the weather is very pleasant today, like that. Okay, so I hope it's clear to you what exactly an adverb is and how exactly does it qualify a verb, an adjective, and an adverb, right? So I hope it's clear to you. In our next video, we'll be taking few sentences, and with the help of those sentences, we'll try to understand the concept in a better way, right? Thank you so much.